Hi guys, I'm Alice and today I'm going to be creating a really fresh, light spring look, and I'll be using some products from Makeup Obsession, including the new Mega Conceal Concealer, which is available from revolutionbeauty.com or Boots. And all the other products that I'll be using will be down below, so don't forget to check them out. And let's get started. So the first product I'll be using is the All a Blur Blurring Primer, and I like blurring primers because they fill in pores, even out skin texture, and I tend to concentrate it just in the centre, and I start by working it in, excuse my plaster, I start by working it into the skin and then pushing it, and the working it in is going to spread the product and pushing it in will actually help fill in any texture by pressing it in. I like to focus it where I have the largest pores, which tends to be in this area for me. And then when putting foundation over the top, I just again push it in because I don't want to move that primer that I've just put on. So next I'm going to conceal, and I'm going to use the new Mega Conceal Concealer by Makeup Obsession, and my shade is 11. Now this shade is really good for brightening under my eyes. I would probably go for a 12 to spot conceal so it matches my skin tone. However, my skin is looking okay today, so that's good. So the bottle looks like this. It's nice and big. I'm trying to compare it to something. And the doe foot also is really big, and I'm quite fussy with my applicators. I don't like having to dip back in and reapply, but this holds a perfect amount of product and enough for both sides of my face. So how I like to use concealer is I just tap it on, and as you can see it's nice and bright, and the doe foot applies the perfect amount of product. I also like to brighten around my mouth to kind of bounce light back away from it. Yeah, I'm obsessed with the doe foot. I've never really seen one like this. It's quite curved and flat, almost like a little foot. And I'm also going to apply a little bit down the centre of my nose. Another reason why I like this shade also is because it's a little bit more peachy toned, and I used to really only wear yellow toned concealers, but to correct any darkness, any blue tones, a pinky tone is so much better for that. So yeah, I'm just going to pat this in. I also really like using my fingers to apply concealer, but a sponge works amazingly too. Sorry if my lighting's going in and out, there are lots of clouds, but for my bronzer I'm going to use the Give Me Sun palette by Makeup Obsession. My one's very well loved, if you can see. But I'm going to be using this shade called Raise, and I'm just going to bronze up my face. And I always like to apply some on my nose as well. This is how we make it look like summer all year round. For my blush, I'm going to be using one of my favourite Makeup Obsession products, and it's the Isn't It Peachy blush palette, and I'm kind of going to mix these two middle shades, I think. And I'm just going to apply this to my cheeks. And I'm also going to apply it to the bridge of my nose to kind of give me that flushed look. Just go over it with my foundation brush. For my highlighter, I'm going to use another fave, which is the Mega Honey highlighter. It's so pretty. For my eyes, I'm going to be using the All We Have Is Now palette by Makeup Obsession. So the shades that I'll be using are Rest and Move. And rest is going in the crease. Buffed out and blown out. And then I'm putting Move kind of basically on the lid and in the crease. And I'm softly winging it out. For my inner corner, I'm going to take the shade Spell. Oh, the sun's really coming out now. For my lips, I'm going to be using the shade Romantic from the Be In Love With lip gloss collection. I'm just going to dab it on my lips and then dab it out with my finger. This is the finished look. My skin is super glowy and flushed, kind of monochromatic with the eyes, cheeks and lips, and yeah. So that is it for my finished spring look using Makeup Obsession products and the new Mega Conceal concealer. I hope you guys really enjoyed. All the products will be linked down below and are available from revolutionbeauty.com and Boots. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you, bye.